Women play a very important role in Iroquois society. Children belong to the clan of their mothers. It's what we call a matrilineal society. The children live with their mother's family in a longhouse. This is managed by the clan mother, who is the oldest woman. It is the clan mothers who choose the civil chiefs. The chiefs are men. In Iroquois society, tasks are divided between men and women. Their jobs are different. A woman never does the job of a man, and vice versa. There is nothing more important than completing the jobs that are necessary for the survival of the whole group. Women take care of farming, from sowing the seeds to harvesting crops. Women plant herbs, nuts, and small fruits. They gather maple water and prepare meals. Women also prepare animal skins for making clothes and making many objects that are necessary for daily life, like clay pots and vases and bags and baskets made from bark.